Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix screen too dark issue in Samsung Galaxy A17, A37 or A57. If you're using Galaxy A17, A37 or A57 and you're facing the issue that your phone's screen is too dark, your brightness is too low, whenever you have maximized your brightness from here or from your settings. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first and the very main fix of this issue is the one and only single fix. Just go to settings tab here and settings. So sometimes it might happen that you have accidentally enabled the accessibility settings. Now once you have enabled, your screen might be too dim or too dark. You just have to simply go to accessibility section, go to vision enhancement. You will see the option of extra dim. Just disable this from here. Now once I disable, you can see my phone brightness suddenly maximized or suddenly increased. Now you can decrease your brightness from here or adjust it from this section. But if you're still facing the same issue after disabling extra dim, your phone's brightness is still too dim or seem too low. So let's see some possible fixes for this one. The very first thing, you can try to update your software. Go to software update and make sure that your software is up to date and you're connected to internet. Then go back, scroll down your control center, click on this power icon, click on restart, and just try to restart your phone. And once your phone has been restarted, your issue might have been fixed and you will not get this issue again. Or if you're still facing the same issue after restarting your phone and updating your software, so this is the only way. Just go to settings, go to general management, go to reset, click on reset all settings, click on reset settings, and then click on this reset button again to confirm to reset your setting. It will completely reset your phone setting to default. It will not delete any kind of your data, so you can easily try this. After doing this, your issue will be fixed and you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.